let's talk about our strategic alternative identification template, which, as I say it, I realize is not a great name, so I may have to shift that. So this template actually captures everything. So it's all the different models we have up here, the SWOT analysis, and we talk about that in the SWOT analysis video, and that leads down to your to actions. Remember, you may have other actions coming in here from innovative exercises or other things that you're doing, and then you take it through the fit analysis, through your cost benefit analysis, and then through your OKR. The idea of this template is it brings all these different models together into one so that you can use Mural and sort of the infinitely scalable model that's in Mural to develop your OKRs, and you can do it all in one sheet rather than having to do it across sheets. It doesn't matter which one you use. One thing that's not on here is some of the innovative exercises, so you may need something else for that, but we can talk about that in another video. It's pretty straightforward. Start with the SWOT, go to the strategic actions, follow the arrows around, and you end up with the OKRs. The OKRs go into your Horizon action plan, and then you know what you have to achieve for the next planning period.